Hi, buddy. You're not feeling too hot. That's okay. Jinx. Hi, you're not allowed. I know, he's in jail for being yucky. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Yeah. Jinx. Baby girl. Yeah. What are you yelling at me for? I sniff sniff? It's okay. Oh. You're so shy. I know, I gotta give you more attention. Thanks. Go play with the others, okay? Oh, sorry, did I go too fast? Beautiful little face. You're such a good boy, Harold. You're such a good boy, Harold. See? That's a good boy. Yeah, sniff, 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 sniff. Ew. Yuck. You got sniffles? Sniff, sniff? Yeah. Oh, is she sniffing it? Huh? Got the sniffles? Okay, can I switch hands? My hand's cramping. There you go. Somebody's tussling, being too rough under my legs. 2 kittens. Over the culprits. Huh?